What's going on, traders? This is the market recap. I am the bearded trader. We had a great day today, a little over $2,300 profit. Had a great trade on PLSE right here. Had a nice bull flag set up as well on HTZ, so that was cool. But my favorite trade of the day was this ALNY. And that's all because of a guy named Max, the hero pirate. Y'all can follow him on Twitter and Instagram. He actually sent out this trade set up via Twitter. Caught my attention. I was a little late to the party, but still made $500 off of it. So it was great. I appreciate that, Max. You know, he's always sending great information out, whether it's about M-shaped patterns or W patterns. You know, you got to follow people who know what they're talking about. You know, iron sharpens iron. I know there's a lot of people out there giving out bad information, you know, telling you can make $500,000 in 1 month trading penny stocks and all this other foolishness, and not actually telling about the actual process and the work you got to put in. You know, the late night studying charts or looking at Fibonacci extensions or moving averages and all these other technical indicators we use as day traders. But so if you don't know who Max is, follow Max the hero pirate. I appreciate you, man. That said, hey, let's jump into these trades for the day. All right, when you look at PLSE, you see we got some resistance at this 20 period moving average up here at this 1746 area. Let's take a look at the actual trade setup. So today I actually took 2 trades on PLSE. First trade came at this candle right here. It's at 1628, break over the first 5-minute high. So I took a long position 1628 with my stop at the first 5-minute low of 604. Then pushed higher, added to my position right here 1639, and sold out at this candle right here at 1669. Then I took another position in PLSE on this pullback. So we got this pullback right here. Got long on this candle, forming a new high above 1666. Got an entry around 1676, and that's when it pushed up to that $17. Boom, right here, 1706. Sold a piece, and then sold the rest right here at 1731. So it was a good trade setup. You know, this stock has been strong past week or two. So we got some great action this morning right out of the gate. Had a small pullback, found some support, bounced higher, took another trade right above this trend line, and that was it. That was all she wrote. Simple, plain and simple trade. Nothing fancy about it. Just sticking to the basics. And that's how we make money in this business, sticking to the basics. Next trade was HTZ. I was stalking this trade yesterday based off of on the daily chart. You can see this stock had closed right here at this gap around what, 22, the gap is at 22.89. So I was thinking in my head, hey, tomorrow if we get a push higher, it should break through this gap. If it does, people will see it, volume open up, and it should take off. So this morning it actually took a little while to set up. You know, we got this push early right here straight out of the gate, but I didn't buy. I was like, well, let's see if that's a true area of resistance or if it's going to be an area of support once it breaks through. Well, it went up there, tapped it, fell back down, went back up, tapped it again, fell back down. However, it's making higher lows. You know, we got this low right here, then we got this low. Well, I was a little cautious at the very beginning because all night I've been trying to look at W patterns and M patterns, and in my mind I'm seeing this as a M, this right here as an M pattern versus a pattern as a triangle type pattern where you're getting higher lows, and as soon as pressure builds up, you get that burst through this area of resistance. So I didn't get in on this candle, which was probably a good candle to get in. I actually got filled on this one. which is cool. You know, we got an increase in volume. Got in at 22, what was it, 2309, somewhere up here around the top. Actually, might have been the very top. Yep, 2309. That's where I got filled at. And from there on, it just went straight up. You know, sold my position right here, 2359, and that was it. Easy money, easy money. So you gotta learn your chart setups, your pattern setups. You got your triangles, your U shapes, your rounded bottoms, your triple tops, your head and shoulders, your W patterns, M patterns. When you see these formations, you gotta be ready to go. Keep your hand on the trigger, keep your orders ready to be filled, and make easy money. Next pattern or next chart trade on was, I think, ALNY. And this, like I said, this was a trade sent by Max. He may have gotten in it down here, I believe. I can't remember exactly. However, when I actually saw the trade, this is what I saw. I had an area of resistance right here around 115. Then we have resistance from yesterday around 116, 117 area. So my entry was a break above this 115 and got it right here. Got in at 115.10, somewhere in there, 115.10. Sold half, roughly what, 250 shares right here at 115.67. Then another 250 shares right here around 116.56. So that was it. You know, a 10 minute trade. 1, 2 5-minute candles. I was in and I was out. Max saw this pattern forming, this double shape. I'm sorry, not double shape. W pattern forming. You got to push lower, push higher, hit an area of support, falls back down, rolls over, forms the W early in the morning. Boom, taking off. Great pattern, great setup. I didn't have the best entry, but I was able to make some money off of it. All in all, it was a good day. Good day to be a trader. Good day to learn from other people. You know, if you have some people you can bounce ideas off of and share information with, by all means, do it. No matter what your profession is. But as a trader, we gotta, you know, weed out the bad apples and stick to those who are actually doing this thing the right way, being profitable, putting in the time, putting in the work, studying their charts, studying their risk management, you know, taking accountability for their bad trades as well as their good trades. You know, if somebody's willing to show you their bad trades, learn from them. I am the Bearded Trader. This is the market recap for Thursday, September 21st. Leave y'all with this: your riches increase, but do not set your heart on them. You are rewarded by what you do, not by how much you make. With that said, y'all have a great day.